Hello guys, welcome to Baloti online classes. Guys, today I will tell you about one of the best trick to multiply two numbers. So suppose two numbers are given. Okay, so let's take an example like 12 into 13. Okay, this is an easy example, you might be knowing it, but I will tell you like how you can calculate it using a trick. And suppose another number is given like 45 into 55. So how we can multiply these numbers in our mind. So let's see in this video. I will explain you step by step. So in the first case, what we will do, we will take the base as 10. And in the second case, we will take the base as 50. So I will explain you the first one first, and then we will come to the second one. So here I know that these two numbers are near to 10. So if we will take the base as 10, then we can say like base is 10, but we just have to add 2 in this case. And here also in case of 13, the base is 10, so we just have to add 3. So we can write like 10 is in the base and then plus 2 and plus 3. And now we will solve it. So how we will solve it? We will add these two numbers, this number and this number. Okay. So 12 and 3 we will add together, or you can add these two numbers as well, like 13 and 2. It will remain same in both cases. Okay. So we will add these two. So that will become 15. Right. And then multiply that 15 with 10. Whatever base we assume, multiply that with base. So it will become 150. Okay, so that is not our answer. We just have to add something in this one. And what we will add? We will just add multiply of two number. And which two numbers multiply? These two numbers multiply we will add. So 3 into 2 is 6. So we will just add 6 in it. And that will be our answer. And answer will be 156. See, it was so easy to calculate using this trick. It took some time because I explained you step by step. So see the another example. Okay, in the another example we have taken the base as 50, right? Base as 50. So how we can write 45? 45 can be written as 50 minus 5. So we just have to write minus 5 over here, and then here we have to write plus 5, right? Because first number is 50 minus 5 and second number is 50 plus 5. Agree? Now what we will do, we will do the same thing. Add these two number, okay, or these two number, okay. In both cases it will become 50, right? So we will write 50, but we will not write 50. We will write 50 and then multiply that 50 with the base. Okay, so it will become 2500, right? In the previous case as well, we multiplied this 15 with this 10, so it become 150. We write that 150 all together here, but here also we just multiplied that with the base, so it become 2500. And now we will add the same thing, like multiply these two number, so that will become minus 25. So we will just write minus 25. So our answer will be 2475. See, it was so quick and so easy to do. We will do some more examples based on this, and it will become very easy for you guys to multiply any numbers which are nearby. Okay, so we will see some different type of examples as well. So those will help you in understanding this trick in better way. Okay, so let's see some more examples. So suppose we are given as 19 and we have to multiply that with 21. So by seeing these two numbers, we can assume like the base is 20. If we can take the base as 20, then it will become easy. Okay, so the first one will become 20 minus 1 and the second one will be 20 plus 1, right? So if we will add these two numbers, it will become 20, or you can add these two numbers as well, it will become 20, and then multiply that 20 with this 20. So 20 into 20 will become 400. So we are just writing 400, and after that what we do, we just multiply these two numbers. So if we will multiply these two, plus 1 and minus 1, it will become minus 1. So minus 1 over here, and our answer will be 399. See, it was easy. So let's take some more examples based on this. Suppose we are given a number as 27 and we have to multiply that number with 18. So what it will become? So here also we can see, like if we can take the base as 20, then it will become easy to calculate. Okay, so I will tell you some other examples as well where base is different. Okay, so see here, I just took the base as 20. We just have to add 7. So plus 7, and here it will be minus 2, right? Now the same thing we will do, add these two number, so it will become 25, right? And then multiply that 25 with 20, so that will become 500, right? I am explaining you once again. We just added these two number that become like 25, and then we multiplied that 25 with this 20, because this is the base, so that become 500, right? And now we will add something to this one, and what we will add? We will add the multiplication of these two numbers. So multiplication is minus 14, so we will just add minus 14 or subtract 14. So let's subtract 14 from this one, so it will become 486, right? So let's see some more example where base is different. Suppose we are given two number as 18 and 32. How we can multiply these two numbers using our trick? So here also you can assume the base as 20 or 30. Based on your choice, you can assume any base. So suppose we are assuming the base as 20. So we will just write 20, and then this number is 20 minus 2, and this number is 20 plus 12, right? So we will add these two number together, so this will become 30, right? Or you can add these two numbers, so it will also become 30, and we'll multiply 30 with this 20, so 3 into 2 is 6, and that is 600. So we'll just write as 600, and after that we have to add something. So what we have to add? We have to add the multiplication of these two numbers, so that is minus 24. So we'll subtract minus 24, and our answer will be 576, right? It was so easy applying this trick. So the same question we can do by assuming the base as 30. So let's see if we can assume the base as 30 and if we are getting the same answer or not. Okay, so here just take the base as 30. So this number, first number, will become 30 minus 12, right? So we will just write as minus 12 here, and then the second number will become 30 plus 2. So we will write plus 2 over here. Then we'll add these two number together, so it will become 20, right? Or you can add these two numbers, so it will also become 20, and then multiply that 20 with 30, so again it will become 600. And then we have to add the multiplication of these two numbers, and that will become minus 24. So minus 24, and we will get our answer as 576. So answer is 576, right? Okay, so now I have some questions for you guys, and you have to solve those, and just write the answer in the comment box. If you have understood this trick, then you would be able to solve those very fast. So guys, these three questions are for you guys. You have to solve these questions and then write the answer in the comment box if you are able to solve them in your mind without using pen. Okay. So that was all about our video today. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are watching for the first time, and then press the bell icon to get the notifications. Thanks for watching.